Hello and welcome to you all to this another video on IQ. Today I have got some random questions on IQ. I want you to watch it until the end, check your IQ and let me know in the comments down below. In this question, a girl is pointing towards a man and saying that he is the son of the daughter of the father of her uncle. So he is her brother, son, uncle or nephew. You've got 10 seconds to find out. In this type of question, you have to look at the end of portion of the question. Here, the father of her uncle is her grandfather and the daughter of her grandfather is her mom and the son of her mom is her brother. So the answer is brother. In this particular question, you are asked to find out 10% of a sum whose 8% is 24. So you will find out the sum, which turns out to be 300, and so 10% of 300 becomes 30. We have got another super easy question here. It asks which word comes second after arranging these words alphabetically. So we will arrange these words in an alphabetical order. Here, PLAIN, plain, comes in second position. In this question, we are given two statements. All plains are roads and all roads are houses. We have to check whether these conclusions follow or not. First conclusion is all houses are plains. The second one is some houses are plains. Which one follow? First one, second one, both or none? If all plains are roads and all roads are houses, then all plains must be houses. But not all houses need to be plains necessarily. So only the second conclusion follows. In this question, we have to find out by how much is 20 less than 20% of 200. You've got 10 seconds to find out. We will find out 20% of 200 first. We get 40. And then by how much is 20 less than 40? We will subtract 20 from 40. We get 20. So we have got a handsome gentleman here who is pointing towards a beautiful lady and saying that he is the only son of her mother's son. So she is his mother, niece, aunt or cousin. Here the son of her mother's son is her brother and the only son of her brother is her son. So she is his aunt. This question asks us to find out the diagram which depicts the relationship among furniture, table and books, where all table belongs to furniture and books are separate. So this diagram depicts the relationship among furniture, table and books. Let's study this diagram. Here square represents rich people, rectangle represents boys and triangle represents unmarried people. We are asked to find out which portion represents rich boys. Let's look at where rich and boys overlap, which is overlapping of square and rectangle, and the reason is D. Let's find out the diagram that depicts the relationship among flowers, lotus and rose correctly. Both lotus and rose are flowers, but they are different species of flowers. So this diagram depicts their relationship correctly. We are given a code here where favor is written as EBUPTS, and the question asks us to find out how danger is written in that code. We are given four options. If we look at favor and EBUPTS, here F is reversed one step back and A is forwarded one step, V is reversed one step, O is forwarded one step, U is reversed, R is forwarded. In that way, if we code danger, then we get CBMHDS. Which one is odd here? Assassinate, kill, kidnap, stab or murder? All of these words mean death of the victim, except kidnap. Dear viewers, if you are still here, then please consider hitting like and subscribe buttons. If you feel it worth sharing, then please do so. Which one is odd here? Book, paper, pencil, paper or sharpener? All of these except book are stationary article. So book is the odd one. Which one is odd here? Lake, sea, pond, river or pool? All of these are stagnant source of water. They do not flow. River only flows here. So river is the odd one. Which one is odd here among Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Sagittarius and Orion? If you remember the zodiac sign, all of these except Orion are zodiacs. Which one is odd among up, down, above, below and small? So all of these except small shows direction. So small is the odd one. So we have got Mohan here and we have got Sangeeta here. Mohan says to Sangeeta that she is the wife of the grandson of his mother. So he is her father, grandfather, husband or father-in-law. Let's look at the last part of this question. The grandson of Mohan's mother is Mohan's son and wife of Mohan's son is Mohan's daughter-in-law. Sangeeta is daughter-in-law of Mohan and Mohan is father-in-law of Sangeeta. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay subscribed for more. Thank you.